How to fix Messenger not sending pictures. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is if you have given access to Messenger to your photos or not. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down and find the app Messenger. Once you find it, open it. Now click on the option of photos. Check in for the option of full access. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, what you have to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. Launch any other app that runs on internet other than Messenger and check if it is working or not. If it is not working, what you can do is open your Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to, forget this network, refresh your router, and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Heading towards next solution, clear cache for the Messenger app, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, open this option iPhone Storage. Now in this page, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Find the app Messenger. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Likewise, heading towards next solution, close this, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Messenger and then search for it. Now you'll need to update your Messenger app to its latest version. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update your Messenger app to its latest version. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Messenger not sending pictures. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.